Well, when disaster strikes, some homeowners hire public insurance adjusters to help with their claims. But a California lawmaker says some are taking advantage of their clients in their most vulnerable moments, and he wants to change the law to fix that. ABC 10's Becca Hotbegger was in a hearing today where the bill was debated.
Yeah, Alex, when you hear the word adjuster, you might think about the claims adjuster employed by an insurance company to, for example, visit a burned home and help determine what the company will pay. But the kind of adjuster we're talking about in this bill is someone the policyholder, the homeowner, hires to advocate for them.
We can't allow a few bad actors in this industry to harm our consumers. This is a consumer protection bill.
That's Democratic Assemblymember John Harabedian. His district includes Altadena and other areas damaged in January by the Eaton fire. He says lots of home insurance policyholders who lost their home hired public adjusters to help them navigate the claims process and get as much of a payout as possible from their insurance company.
Public adjusters typically work on a contingency of what they collect. And so if you get nothing, they get paid nothing.
Greg Clifford is CEO of Sunpoint Public Adjusters and says people in his profession help wildfire victims.
We bring in this vast array of experts. We come into the picture, we present the claim to the insurance company, we say this is what's owed under the policy, this is why we feel the values are correct, and we force the insurance company to pay what's rightfully owed, in opposed to what they just want to offer up as just to see if you walk away number.
But Harabedian says California needs to strengthen its laws around how public adjusters can conduct business.
A lot of public adjusters will sign up. Using the word ambulance chaser in this circumstance is apt. Sign up lots of cases, whether there's merit or not, and you get a percentage on the whole thing. There's easy money to be taken. And then you just kind of figure out, okay, of the 50 I just signed up during a disaster, maybe 10 actually get me some real money. And I think a lot of people who sign up public adjusters don't know that that's what they're getting into. I can show you the contracts. Very ambiguous language.
He presented his bill Wednesday to the state Senate Insurance Committee. Now, state law already regulates how public adjusters can conduct business, but Harabedian wants to make their contracts more transparent and straightforward when it comes to disaster situations.
Ensuring that policyholders know exactly what they're paying for. It would prevent public adjusters from charging fees on monies paid out before the public adjuster was involved.
Clifford, testifying in opposition to the bill at the hearing, says the changes in the bill might ultimately make it harder for fire victims to hire public adjusters, leaving insurance companies to get their way.
It's why so many insurance companies are supporting it, because it gives them an opportunity to not pay what they're supposed to pay. I've been doing this for 30 years. They're going to take every opportunity they can to be more profitable for their shareholders.
He says he's in favor of more transparency and consumer protections, but doesn't think this bill does it the right way.
The bill, AB 597, passed through the committee today. Its supporters include the state insurance commissioner, insurance industry lobbying groups, the Eaton Survivors Network, and the LA County Board of Supervisors. The bill goes next to the Senate Appropriations Committee. Alex?
All right, Becca, thank you. The To The Point team spent months investigating the home insurance crisis, hearing from homeowners, lawmakers, and the insurance commissioner himself. You can stream the special investigation right now on our free ABC 10 Plus TV streaming app.